In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a reminder in Slack. Reminders are great for keeping tasks on track, but once they're no longer needed, clearing them out keeps your workspace tidy. I'll walk you through two simple approaches: deleting reminders from the Later tab and removing reminders that were created in a channel using the Remind list. The steps are quick, and I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what to expect on screen. First, let's handle reminders from the Later tab. Open Slack and look at the sidebar on the left. Click the tab labeled Later. This is where Slack gathers items you've saved to come back to, including your reminders. Scroll through this list until you spot the reminder you want to remove. Move your mouse over that reminder to reveal more options. When you hover, you'll see a three dots icon, sometimes called More Actions. Click that icon. In the menu that appears, choose Delete Reminder. That's it. The reminder will disappear from the list and you're done. If you're managing several reminders, it can help to read the text carefully before deleting to make sure you're removing the correct one. Now let's look at reminders that were set inside a channel. To see them, click into the message field where you would normally type a message and type the command/remind list all as one phrase. Send it just like a regular message. Slack will display a list of your reminders, including those that were created in channels. Take a moment to find the specific reminder you want to delete in that list. Each reminder will have an option to delete right next to it. Click Delete to remove it. This is especially handy if you created a reminder for a team channel and want to clear it once it's no longer relevant. A few quick tips as you work. The Later tab is ideal for personal follow-ups and saved items, while the Remind list gives you a centralized view of everything you've scheduled. If you don't immediately see a reminder in Later, it might have been created directly in a channel, so using the Remind list can help you locate it. Also, interfaces can vary slightly between the desktop app and the browser, but the process is the same. Hover, open the More Options menu and delete, or use the Remind list and click Delete next to the item. And that's all you need. With these two approaches, you can keep your Slack reminders organized and your attention on what matters most.